here again under the Jeep, being dominated. So we're just testing now. We put it in an oil gauge and we've got 80 psi idle, but the gauge reads nothing. Right, that's screwed in where normally the gauge is. And we also tested, there's an electronic signal coming from the plug, so we're not 100% sure what's going on, but we have oil pressure. See, can you rev it a little bit, see what happens? Yeah, he's up there. But young people are 4. Oh, I'm not shaking it much, guys. No? Yeah. That's why the engine doesn't rattle. It's got plenty of oil pressure. It's almost like new, actually. Alright. On to the next thing. Here we go again. We're going to test this brand new oil pressure sender unit. I'm going to blow air in it while my son here
How you want to do?
put black on the earth.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll help hold that. And then the other one, so you can touch, not touch, touch, not touch.
Yeah, see? So go over one.
Can you show the people? So, as I press, it's imitating oil pressure. See, so this is working. So, what?
No.
You want to say?
No.
You want to take over my job, son? Huh? It's a little bit low. So, all we're thinking now, oil pressure wise, before it was juttering the needle, but now it's not doing anything. We actually think it's the gauge cluster in the gauge, but massive relief that it has oil pressure, so we know basically there's nothing really wrong with the engine. There's nothing wrong with the new one, because someone did comment on my channel, one of the clips, saying that aftermarket ones were crap, and I'm like, oh, maybe he was right, you know, but this seems to be working, but still not getting anything up on the dash. Now you replace the entire dash. I think they're a sealed unit, or it's up to my son one day if he just wants to put in an aftermarket proper oil pressure gauge where you can read. I would.
I'll put it in the side of the.
Yeah, you can get one of those console.
Yeah, I want that.
Pillar clusters.
Yeah. Are they legal here?
Why wouldn't they be legal?
I don't know, just asking.
Yeah, I don't think it's illegal to have a pillar cluster. You can have 2 or 3 or 1. So yeah, so all tested, all good. So that's another thing ticked off the list from RAC. We have oil pressure. We have a slight sucking on a strepsil because I seem to have a bug. We seem to have a slight rough idle. I think it's the fuel injectors. So what we're going to eventually do is put for my silver Jeep, the HO, we're going to put which is probably a 4-hole injector. We're going to put those in here, and everybody that remembers my red Jeep, it's got the 12 holes, first one ever, and I'll put them in my Overland, because the red one's going to get next year much bigger injectors than factory, much bigger. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do yet. Surprise. So that's the next thing we've done. You're going to stop filming for a minute, and if anything else happens, I'll let you know.